Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying your Toshiba's platform because the only way here is using a compatible smart platform. Check model and whether it runs Android TV or Fire TV. That determines the app path. Once done, connect the TV to your Wi-Fi network and make sure signal strength is good. You should also have your Google or YouTube credentials ready on a phone or tablet to speed pairing. This step prevents wasted time later and sets up secure access to subscriptions. Now install and open the official YouTube app. This is the central action. On Android TV, go to Google Play, search YouTube, and hit Install or Update. On Fire TV, use the Amazon App Store. After installation, launch the app and follow on screen prompts. If prompted to pair, get your phone ready to visit YouTube. com/activate and enter the code, or sign in directly using the TV remote. These steps let you access subscriptions, history, and playback settings smoothly. Finally, play content and set preferences. Choose video quality and captions so playback matches your bandwidth. If you prefer control from your phone, open YouTube Mobile, Tapcast, and pick your Toshiba. Pairing is instant once both devices share the network. If the app won't install or pairing fails, reboot the TV first, then check for firmware updates. Make sure both devices are on the same subnet. If problems persist, a factory reset can clear stubborn configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.